If your Mac desktop is acting up, resetting SMC, PRAM, and NVRAM can help. This quick guide shows step-by-step resets with on-screen captions and countdowns. First, reset the SMC to resolve power, fan, and sleep issues. To reset SMC, shut down, unplug the power cord for 15 seconds, plug it back in, wait 5 seconds, then press the power button. After restarting, check fan noise, power indicator light, and normal boot behavior. Next, we'll reset PRAM and NVRAM to restore display, sound, and startup settings. Shut down the Mac, then press the power button and immediately hold Command, Option, P, and R. Keep holding for about 20 seconds until you hear 2 startup chimes or the Apple logo appears twice, then release. Release the keys and allow the Mac to finish restarting. Then check sound, resolution, and startup disk preferences. Note for Apple Silicon Macs: a full shutdown and restart clears NVRAM automatically, so no key combination is required. If issues persist, repeat the steps once more and then check for macOS updates or contact Apple support. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick Mac tips and refer to the on-screen captions and subtitles for exact timings.